Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we'll be looking for some stocks suitable for swing trading for short term. So as our market is almost approaching the all-time high, we saw some good recovery over the weeks. So some more support from our global markets. We can expect a good momentum in some of the stocks. So I have filtered few stocks for swing trading. So let's see what might happen to these stocks in future. So first stock is Nazara Technologies. So yeah, we'll go with daily time frame. So just we can see after a good sell off from almost 1500. So recently we had a stock split as well, so it was 2 by 1. So after a good fall actually, now it's respecting a channel. So you can see it's respecting quite well the channel. So it has tested 4 times and it has to support thrice. So you can see again it has taken support over here. So we can look for some up move up to this channel, this resistance. So we can keep stop loss somewhere here. Well, if at all it breaks this channel, so we can expect a recovery up to this, and we can expect a uh, what do you call breakthrough as well if our markets are pretty well. So we can look for swing trading in this stock. So next stock is Vedanta. So it's a metal stock. So you can see it was in a bearish trend actually, Vedanta. So after that, we saw some recovery. So now you can see it's taking support at a trend line, and it's facing resistance at the top at somewhere around 325 or something like that. So we can see it's taking pretty good support from downside. So and it has tested this resistance 4 times now. So if it breaks this with a good volume actually, so we can go for it. We can expect a good move in Vedanta. uh, if at all it fails to break this, we can expect to return back to this trend line, and hopefully it should take support, or else if at all it breaks this trend line, we can expect a fall up to here. So we should be careful with this trade. We should look up for good volume if it breaks this resistance. So even this is a good stock for future. I mean for a short term. So you can look for it. So next stock is my favorite, IRCTC. So let's see what. So yeah, everyone had known what happened to IRCTC. It was in a complete bullish trend. So now, after a good sell-off of, so once stock split happened, we saw a good sell-off. So now we can see it has broke the trend line, but not quite significantly. It returned back as well to trend line. But one good thing is it took support. Now what we are seeing is a good consolidation zone. So this is daily time frame. So we can see past from August. So it's consolidating quite well. So if it breaks this zone with good momentum, and earnings is also coming up on this month end. So if earnings are good and if it breaks this consolidation zone, we can expect good movement in IRCTC. So the stock is pretty down, and it's a good buy actually for long term also. So, and there's no specific target, but we can see a good movement once it breaks. So stop loss will be somewhere below this. Next one is LIC. So LIC is performing well. So I had put up a video on 30th. So after that, so yeah, here. So after that, we can see it's up by 6.5%. So I'll just place that link as well for that video. So sentiments are turned little positive for LIC. So it's a good buy at this price, considering the IPO price, which was around 900. So this is a good buy. There's no uh, there is nothing much of a price action in this. So as you know, LIC is recent stock. So in shorter time frame, we can see uh, it has broke a almost a small trend line. So it has broken comfortably above the trend line. So you can look for this stock. Just go through the video for the complete explanation on this stock. And next is HDFC Bank. So everyone would have known HDFC and HDFC Bank merging up. There will be no HDFC. So I don't know when it will happen. But we had HDFC results yesterday, so it was pretty well. And you can see it's in a bearish trend, HDFC. So clearly, it took resistance at the uh, zone, which had been tested earlier also. So you can see it is tested. So and it's going down as well. So we can expect not a fall, just a movement up to here. That will be depending on global cues as well. So if at all it comes down to here, we can take up a, if it takes support at this level, just keeping a small stop loss, we can look for a reversal in this HDFC Bank considering the merger. uh, so if it somewhere it starts reversing from here itself, we can expect breakthrough somewhere in from this zone with a good volume. So you can go for this stock. And for now, I don't recommend. For now, it's in a downtrend. For if at all it take reverses, you can go for long as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. So please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Please share the video with your friends. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching.